In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell custom products on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, to kick things off, let's talk about what Printify is. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create and sell custom products without having to invest in inventory. It's a fantastic opportunity to start your own merchandise shop, offering everything from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and tote bags. So let's dive right into the steps to get you going on this exciting journey. First and foremost, you'll need to create an account on Printify. It's pretty straightforward. Just head over to the Printify website, look for the sign up button, and fill in your details. You can use either your email or a social media account to register, whichever you prefer. After you create your account, it's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, the next step is to start designing your products. Printify offers a user-friendly design tool that makes this easy. You'll want to grab the images or graphics you plan to use. If you're not a designer, there are plenty of free design platforms like Canva that can help you create beautiful designs. Just make sure your designs are high quality and fit well with the products you choose. After you've finalized your design, it's time to select the type of product you want to sell. Navigate to the product catalog where you'll see a wide array of items you can customize. You might choose apparel like t-shirts or hats, or maybe you'd like to venture into home decor items like pillows or wall art. Take your time browsing through the options. Each product can be customized with your design, so find something that resonates with your personal brand or style. Once you've decided on a product, click on it, and you'll be taken to the product creation page. Here, you'll find options to upload your design. Make sure to adjust the placement and size so that it looks just right. You'll also want to fill in the product details such as title, description, and pricing. Writing a compelling description is crucial. It should entice potential buyers to want your product. Think about what makes your design unique. Now that you have your product set up, it's time to publish it to your store. Printify allows you to integrate with various e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce. If you don't already have an online store, this is where you would set one up. Each platform has its own set of steps for integration, generally involving connecting your Printify account to your chosen e-commerce platform. Once your store is set up and your products are published, you'll want to focus on marketing them. After all, what good is a fantastic product if no one knows about it? Leverage your social media accounts, create posts that showcase your products, and tell your audience about your journey and inspiration behind each design. Engage with your followers, as a good relationship can lead to more sales. Consider running promotional campaigns or offering discounts, especially when you first launch, to attract customers. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can also help get your products in front of the right eyes. Finally, as orders start coming in, Printify has a streamlined fulfillment process. Once a customer makes a purchase, you'll be notified, and Printify will handle the printing and shipping directly to your customer. This means you don't have to worry about inventory or packing. And that's it. Selling custom products on Printify can be a rewarding venture when you put in the time and effort to create unique products and market them effectively. I hope this video has given you a good overview of how to start selling with Printify. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more tips and tricks on growing your online business. Thanks for watching, and good luck.